Hello and welcome. This is your favorite program, Buhle Betfu. My name is Nelly Somakanya, and today we are taking you to one of the exquisite hotels that I've ever seen in this country. The name of the hotel is Open House Hotel, right in the capital city, Mbabane. I'm so excited over this place. It looks so beautiful, and I hope you'll be excited as I am to see what is it that they have for us. Let's go and find out what Open House Hotel has for us.
My name is Buhle Betfu. I work here at Open House Boutique Mbabane. I'm in the sales and marketing office, so I'm the sales and marketing manager here. So Open House Boutique is actually a guest house.
Right.
I would say it's a guest house first because it was first established in Manzini. So Manzini Open House Boutique is at Trilone Park. That is where it was started. So 5-6 years down the line, so now we have Open House Hotel Mbabane, which is now a sister hotel. So this is where we are today. The Mbabane facility is more upmarket. Okay. The standards of the space, as you can see, tranquility, peace. As you come into the place, you smell the sweet aroma of peace and calm. So it's a bit out of town, but it's accessible. So if you want to come and relax here, you are just closed up into this peaceful and calm space. We have 4 different room types.
Okay.
We've got our twin rooms, we've got the queen suite, we've got the king suite, and then we have the special room, which is called the royal suite. So we will be hosting people from all walks of life. We are mainly focused in our local market, yes, because our local market gives us the business a lot. I know that we usually, with people who want accommodation, they also want conference. So we can accommodate people who want to take rooms and conference at the same time at very reasonable fees. So we provide accommodation. We've got 20 rooms in total. You can come as groups, you can come as a family, you can come as an individual. You can come as a company, or you can also come just as an organization to enjoy our rooms. We also have a restaurant. So there's fine dining for our restaurant. We've got a beautiful menu, selection of dishes to choose from. You can enjoy our breakfast. Fully fledged English breakfast is available. We've got the best chef in town. You can also enjoy our snacks for lunch. We've got a sports bar. I would like you to see that bar. One of its kind in the country. So for people who just want peace and calm and just enjoy at the same time, I'd invite them to come and experience our sports bar. Moving on amenities and services that we offer, we've got conference rooms. So if you want to host a conference at Open House Mbabane, we've got a conference room that can take maximum 50 people. And then we've got boardrooms. We've got 2 boardrooms, maximum 12 to 15 people for our boardrooms. We've got very affordable conference packages, half-day and full-day packages. And then if you just want to come and enjoy on a weekend, bring your kids, or you want to have a bridal shower or a baby shower, this is the place to be. If you want to host a wedding, plus minus 50 people, we can host you. If you just want a small, intimate wedding for 5-10 people, we can also host you for a small wedding. Yes. We've got quite a number of future activities that we're planning on doing. Our sports bar will always be live. Our games that we'll be playing, that will be aired, will always be live, especially on weekends. So when our games are live, people are invited to come and just watch the game and enjoy our meals and also enjoy our drinks as well. Sorry. Security, we've got security. It's beefed up. So when you enter the place, you are sure you are safe. As you enter the place, you are sure you are safe when it comes to just safety all rounder. You know, when a person enters a room, there are certain things that they look at. Am I safe in this room? Is it fire safe? Is it proofed? So all of those things, we have made sure that we have put them in place before guests even come in. No. So it's a very safe environment. On social media, we're available on Facebook. Right. You can find us, we are Open House Hotel. And then you can also find us in Manzini, Open House Boutique Manzini. For Mbabane, it's Open House Hotel Mbabane on Facebook. Same applies for Instagram. And then with contacts, you can actually contact us here via email at sales@openhousehotel.com, where you can just send your inquiries and we will swiftly respond back to your emails. You can also call us. We've got a cell phone number. Call us at 7604 7069.
This is a favorite part of my show when it comes to the restaurant and the food that they usually prepare for us at Buhle Betfu. We're here at the restaurant right now. As you can see how beautiful it is. I can't wait to see what the chef has prepared for us. They promise that they have wonderful dishes and wonderful meals that they serve right here. You'll be the witness of it as they get to serve me. Let's see what they have for us.
Libito lami nginozipho wakadlamini Sibongo. Ngingi-head chef la khaya Open House Boutique. Shothi sina lelinye lelikaManzini still nakhona ngingi-head chef wakhona.
All right. No, right. Bengicela ungichazele ngana kudla lokumnandi lengikubona phambi kwami namuhla singabe usilungisele ini namuhla Buhle Betfu.
Nginilungisele chicken wings, lama nema-chips, ne-country mix veg.
All right.
Ne-king clip, sine shothi nje siyenta ngendlela yethu lehlukile.
All right.
I-king clip ihamba ne-country mix nayo namasamba. Lakhaya siba shothi kuba ne-breakfast nangabe nebhiline bami labalele, so bathola free breakfast. Shothi kuba nalokhu ne-continental shothi ngilokubanzako, then bese ba-order from the menu lokushisako. Yes. Bese siba the main meal. Kule main meal yethu ngilokufaka boma seafoods, nema light meals, ma dessert. Usually ke siba na kube nema specials, ema pizza from the bar, bese kuba nemicwembe. Siya specialize ke vele ngemicwembe bamba imicimbi bawuthakasela kakhulu. Umcimbi wethu yes 650 or 45 people. Like usebenza kakhulu kuma functions. Yes, nangabe nje nenda ema functions ungena wona umcimbi. Okay, like la emicimbini kuyehlukana kuba kuwe ukuthi wena ufuna usikwendele kanjani, but nje base siya specialize kule imicimbi. But nangabe maybe ufuna ama buffets siyakwendela. Like no wedding siyakwendela i-buffet senge naboma snake food.
Okay.
Yes.
Mhlambe kwegcina lengakubuta ukuthi ngingeda nje mhlambe just ngokhe in athi ngizendlala ngekhasi ngiyite restaurant yenu ngidle phinze ngihambe noma ngakalala la khaya.
Uyeda e-restaurant yethu. Sikwendele kudla order from the menu, you have a menu, then you order from the menu. Sikwendele the order lethu nangabe maybe liphutile lisaba 20 minutes. Sinangabe kukudla lo sokugcinile like baby chicken. Sine baby chicken lemnanzi kakhulu but ngiyafisa ukuthi usoke utoyi now siyayisiyende ke ibe ma specials esikhathini esiningi. Imnanzi kakhulu but baby chicken.
All right. I definitely ngiyabuya ke for the baby chicken. Ngihlale nje siyabonga kakhulu man.
Siyabonga.
All right. All right, that's awesome. I hope you have heard it for yourself. They have baby chicken, they have sushi. I'm definitely coming back to have that. For now, let me just dig in on these wonderful delicacies that I see on this table here.
Igama lami nguNgugulethu Ngakadlamini. I'm the owner of Olive Country Lodge. Olive Country Lodge iseKakholwane endaweni ngaseMkhonvo eShiselweni region along MR9 next to Kakholwane Primary School. Yindzawo lapho bantu bafika batolala khona bangcebeleke, bantu bakhone kutendela ama-events abo, bantu lapho bafike khona bafike emini batovakasha badle baphume bahambe. So indzawo yetfu ngindzawo nje longayibekisa ngokuthi yindzawo lethiwa it's hospitality industry. Shokuthi le location yetfu lenyetini for tetendeke, but nje i-location yavela ngekuthi mawusuka from Enhlangano ubheka kaManzini. Indzawo letfolakala tfudane yekuphumula mawuchamuka Enhlangano isekhatsi edolobheni kaHlatsi ufuna uzungene ekhatsi. Naw ngabe usuka Enhlangano kutafuna ukuthi uhambe uziyofika kaManzini, so yindzawo lengekhatsi kwakhatsi kwaManzini naNhlangano. so kwaba ngileyo info leyo nje leyabe sivita lelithuba ukuthi indzawo yekungcebeleka nayingavela la kulendzawo lesikhona kaKholwane ingakhona kusita abantu kakhulu nabaqhamuka from enhlangano babheka khona kaManzini noma mhlambe labete etindzaweni mhlambe kunemingcwabo bayakhona kufike baphumule lana bavuke ekseni bahambe bayo attenda imingcwabo labaya kuyo. So when you come here, you either want traditional, you want modern, and you want country style. Our rooms are decorated to accommodate people that comes from your first class world. They will come in and find a country home away from home. And then the people who come from out of the country who've never experienced our Eswatini traditional style, they will come in, but still they will not be inconvenienced by sleeping on the floor. So we've incorporated some futon beds, which they will still sleep on a bed rather than sleeping on the floor. So our decor, it is my personal touch, which I have incorporated it with traditional and modern style, putting it together into a country lifestyle. All the staff that we have here, they're locals. We've basically trained them from no experience of working in a hotel environment, making sure that we employ them. Even the guys that are helping us around the garden, they are our locals. Our future plan is to be a one-stop shop, a one-stop hotel and accommodation place.
Olive Country Lodge in the Shiselweni region of Eswatini, Kholwane area offers a country home away from home wonderful experience for you to talk about to eternity. They offer a wide range of accommodation, of which some gives you the exclusivity of a private braai area and self-catering units. Booked guests can enjoy scrumptious meals from their restaurant as well as walk-in day visitors. The chef is well known for specializing in braai meat, and they also offer a variety of game meat in the restaurant. The lodge prides itself in being a perfect place to hosting of events such as weddings, birthday parties, bridal showers, as well as team building packages for the corporates, to mention but only a few. Olive Country Lodge has thousands of followers on social media, which is Facebook and Instagram, where many people get to interact with them. For bookings and more information, you can contact 76526263.